All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Gadio account to CoinStats, which will track your portfolio profits and losses and all of that good stuff. And I really like CoinStats. I think it's a great program because you can connect all of your different exchanges and you can see what you have spread over different accounts, either individually in that account or in aggregate. And so with this, we're using the Gadio portfolio. So basically it's going to say log into Gadio, click on API management from your profile and select the API version 4 keys, create a new key, set the key permissions, and I'll need to do the verification. Okay. And then you copy these into the app, right? So I'm going to put a link to the CoinStats app because as of this recording, there is a lifetime version. If you do have crypto, it's extremely helpful because, as I said, you can really see all these different exchanges you have and what your balance is, if you have multiple wallets. Okay, this also tracks some DeFi wallets like the Coinbase DeFi wallet, like MetaMask, which again is very helpful because even if you go into MetaMask, there are the what's in your Ethereum side, what's in your Binance Smart Chain portion of that, and what's in the Polygon and the other blockchains that it keeps track of. So as soon as you get into crypto, you realize how important something like this is. One point that I want to make is what gets measured can get managed properly. So being able to see the data from all or most of your accounts can help you make better, more informed decisions as an investor. All right, well, let's get into it. And if you do like this video, be sure to like and subscribe. I would, that would be awesome if you do that. So in your account, in your Gadio account, what you're going to do is you're going to go to your account and then under API management. So there's the API version 2 and API version 4 keys, and it asks for the API version 4 keys. And so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add a new API key. So I'm going to call it CoinStats. With this API key, it's asking for permissions. And so I'm not going to ask for trade. I'm going to just allow it for the wallet, and I'll do read only. And I'll read only. In fact, you could do all of these if you want, as long as you put them to read only. Okay, that's the option that you want to do. You can whitelist an IP, and you can confirm and create these API keys. All right, so now I'm going to need to put in my fund password and my Google authentication code. All right, and then the Google Authenticator, I'm actually using Authy. So I'm going to put in the Authy code. And now I've got the keys, okay? So these keys you don't want to share with them. Obviously they are read only, but you still don't want to share them. You want to keep them secret. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to copy those over and put them into CoinStats. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect this portfolio. Okay, so it'll take a few seconds and then it will connect and be able to pull in all of my data so I can make better informed decisions as an investor. Okay, so as you can see here, it's pulled in my account right now. And as you can see, most of what I hold here is going to be in basic attention token, but I've also got some Thetan gaming coins, some Cardano, some Point, and a little bit of Tether. But what's nice about this is you can actually see your profit and loss in a lot better ways, and all your transactions and all that kind of stuff in a consistent way. And of course, you can see all your other exchanges that you have, and you can look at your portfolios as an aggregate altogether. So overall, I think Gadio is a great place, particularly if you want to get some gaming coins, some altcoins that have a higher profit potential. Also, when you join Gadio with the link that I'll put below this video, you'll get $50 back after your first trade, which is pretty freaking awesome. Other than that, one thing is CoinStats. It was available as of this recording on a lifetime deal. I'll put a link to that Even if it's not, it is hella worth it for sure. And definitely check it out. It's something that has really made me be able to make better, more informed decisions and make a whole lot more profit from my crypto portfolio. Again, if you have any questions, hit me up in the comments. I'd be more than happy to check them out and get back to you. Also, I'll put some other videos here that you can see that I would highly recommend checking out, and we'll give you some, ideas of how to make more money as a crypto investor. Well, that's all I got for you. Over and out. We'll see you on the next video.